All right, guys, so I just got these rocks all delivered here. Basically my neighbor, I go up to him and he has a lot of rocks that he doesn't need in his yard. So I go up there, I fill his backhoe and he brings it down and just drops it off. It's amazing. You know, it's a few hours of, you know, hard work, and you know, it saves me thousands. You know, who knows how much it would take to get like a truckload of rocks down here. So I have all these here, right? And the plan for them is all the way from about here to there, down there, that it's just going to be cut. So this entire, all this ground, it's all going to be gone, and it's going to come round here. This wall, I'm trashing that. It's going to be taken down. The rocks coming back up here, because probably. So it's going to end up here, up there. All this needs to be dug. I'm going to have some of my friends help me, hopefully. So yeah, it's going to be a huge project. It's going to be on top of other projects that I'm working on. So massive project that I'm doing with these rocks. And as you can see, some of these, like I can't lift this. I'm going to have to take these and dolly them, because carrying that, absolutely not. So I'm going to have to dolly them to all the way over there, and then set them into place and all that crap. So these giant rocks here are going to be on the base. We got smaller rocks here, okay, and we have even smaller rocks here. So all the rocks we need, everything we need. So yeah, it's going to be a massive project, probably going to take several months, you know, lots of labor, lots of work. This project is probably not going to start for a while. I want to say like a month. Well, we'll probably begin work on it, but there's a lot of prep that needs to be done. Right here, we need a pathway going across here, and you can also see it's very muddy around here. So all this water needs to be gone. That should happen during the summer, whenever it's dry. Right now it's spring, so tons of water flowing here. That shouldn't be. So that's that, I guess. But so there's a lot of prep that needs to be done. And so yeah, this is going to be a shorter video, but I just want to let you guys all know about this, because it's a big project, and I think if I post a video about it, that's at least going to help me kind of hold to the commitment of doing all this work. But like I said, there are other things that need to be done, probably not before I start, but at least during, when I'm working on this. So I think I'm gonna use this video to, you know, make it a bit longer and just talk about what else I'm gonna do. So you can see right here, this is the exit pipe. This is the exit pipe of the dam, okay? And there's water coming out here. There's also water coming out from in there. And basically what that is a leak in the liner. At least that's what I think it is. It could be even a crack in the pipe. That would be very bad if it is. However, either way, I'm going to be adding a 4-inch pipe right next to it. So I'll show you that here. Probably, I don't know whether on the right or left side, but 4-inch pipe somewhere's in here. I'm going to try and stick it through. That 4-inch pipe is going to have a threaded cap on it. I used to have that for the 2-inch pipe, but not anymore because I got a gate valve on there. But anyway, it's 4 inches threaded cap, so I'll be able to empty it a lot faster. And additionally, the next project that I'm working on is this. You can see there's liner, right? And the liner is all underneath that mud. However, last season when I built this dam, the liner's here, and then I put like 5 inches or so of mud on top of the liner, and that means when it's full, water can just leak right through here, and it's very unstable. So what I'm going to do is all this dirt, all off, all of it into a wheelbarrow, shipped off, never to be seen again. And it's going to be like this, okay? And then after that, we're going to lift the liner up like this, and we're going to lay new liner on top of it, okay? And then I'm not 100% sure about how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it. We're going to have something like this going on, some beam, you know, and we're just going to new liner on top of here, we're gonna raise it up, raise the liner up enough, okay? So that way, instead of having it just over leaking, we're gonna have it completely finished. So it's definitely not a project I wanted. We're also probably gonna tuck the liner into here and then seal it somehow. So the liner's gonna go in the back and then continue up. So it's gonna be the exact same liner. This is plastic sheeting, 6 mil. So that basically just rebuilding the entire top of the dam, which it really needs it. It'll also probably add an inch or two of extra height onto it, which is nice. So yep, that needs to be done. I'll probably get started on that right after the 4-inch pipe. So we're gonna be working on that, and then after that, obviously the project that I started out by talking about, all this, you know, moved retaining wall, mortar, all that fun stuff. A lot like this wall I have right here, hopefully better, because, you know, I've learned a bit since then. But yep, that's really all. This was less of a work video. I didn't do a lot of work, but more of just kind of an informative video. This week I've been pretty busy. Obviously I've been, you know, moving these rocks. I did that for like 2 days. 2 days of work after school, obviously. So, you know, I don't have too much time to work on stuff. I also have another project up at the house that I'm working on. I was gonna do a video on it, but my GoPro decided to be a piece of crap and not record a time lapse, so I don't have any footage for that. So I just gave up. I'll probably show it in one of my videos, but, you know, maybe I'll show it in this one. Anyway, that's it for today, so I'll see you in the next video. Hopefully we'll actually have some work being done in that video. Bye-bye.